So Simba and I are here in Table Rock State Park, and we're about to go take a tour of the Pinnacle Mountain Falls Trail. We're excited to see it. We'll see you inside. Hi, I'm Ash, and this is Simba, and we're Life on Paws and Wheels.
That's life on the road. This is life on Paws and Wheels.
We've made it out here to the Pinnacle Mountain Falls Trail. We're about to go in and take a tour of the place, and we'll see you on the other side. The bark means that we're at the end of the line. Wild seeing all the destruction caused by the forest fires that came through here not too long ago. Regardless, we hope that you enjoyed our tour. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more of me and Simba the Adventure Pup as we travel across the country visiting campgrounds and parks and trails. Until next time, travelers.
Chasing sunsets and paw prints across the country. That's life on Paws and Wheels.